A new entry in Varanasi elections, a transgender candidate from Akhil Bharat Hindu Mahasabha. Wondering if there are any similarities between BJP and TMC election pitch in Bengal? Well, here are we with news around politics of the country ahead of Lok Sabha elections 2024. As the 2024 Lok Sabha elections approach, with elections in Varanasi being held on June 1, Phase 7, all eyes will be on BJP's performance and Modi's continued influence in Indian politics. Here are the candidates contesting against Prime Minister Modi in Varanasi. The first transgender, Mahamandaleshwar Hemangi Sakhi, is set to contest against Prime Minister Narendra Modi from Varanasi on the ticket of the Akhil Bharat Hindu Mahasabha. Known for activism for the rights of the transgender community, Hemangi Sakhi has entered into politics to fight for the rights of transgenders. A former five-time MLA from Varanasi, Ajay Rai, is set to contest the Lok Sabha elections for the third time from the Varanasi constituency from Congress against Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Rai is the current president of the UP Congress Committee. Experts say there is a distinct similarity in the pitches of the Trinamool Congress and the BJP as they campaign in North Bengal for the Lok Sabha elections. In Cooch Behar, the political contest is heating up between Pramanik from the BJP and Paresh Adhikari Basunia from the TMC. Basunia is rallying his supporters by promising better benefits under Mamata Banerjee's schemes. Meanwhile, Pramanik is reaching out to everyone, talking about Modi's plans for development and unity. Both candidates are trying to win over voters with their own stories. Basunia talks about Didi's leadership, while Pramanik focuses on a brighter future with the BJP. It's an exciting time as people decide who they want to support in the upcoming election. During the Lok Sabha elections in India, the BJP has invited leaders from many countries to come and see how the elections work and to learn about the BJP's campaign strategies. They have invited more than 25 parties from other countries and 13 of them have agreed to come. However, it's interesting to note that neither the ruling Democrats nor the opposition Republicans from the United States have been invited. In yet another jolt to the Congress ahead of the Lok Sabha elections, Rajasthan Congress Treasurer Sitaram Agarwal joined the BJP on Wednesday. Agarwal was the Congress candidate from Jaipur's Vidyanagar seat in the last assembly elections but lost to the BJP's Diya Kumari, who is now the Deputy Chief Minister. Notably, Kumari was among those who inducted Agarwal into the BJP on Wednesday. Agarwal joined the party with scores of his supporters on Wednesday. For more updates on Lok Sabha elections 2024, keep watching the Indian Express.